Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to upload and share documents over at Hubspot to different platforms. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Hubspot account as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what my company or my CRM's dashboard looks like. And from here, the idea is we'd want to click on the Sales tab. So the Sales tab can be found on the top left corner of the screen between Marketing and Commerce. So it's this one right here. So when we go to click on it, it should show you a drop-down menu with a bunch of different options to choose from. So there's prospecting, there's deals, there's forecast, there's tasks, coaching playlists, documents, meetings, playbooks, and sales analytics. So from here, it goes without saying that where we would want to be at is documents. So we're going to click on it like so. And it should take you to this page right here where you get to upload a document or a folder containing multiple documents. So these documents could pertain to any file type or format, being ranging from PDF to docx to XLSX, which is Excel files, and so on. So I'm going to upload a document real quick, and you get to choose whether you want to upload a document directly from the cloud, so it could be Google Drive or Dropbox, or from your assets library in HubSpot, or directly from your computer's storage. So I'm going to do this one, for example, and it should show you a window with your computer's Explorer, where you get to select what document to upload, and that's honestly all there is to it. So once you guys have the document uploaded, you should have the option to share it. Now, to show you guys what I mean, let's actually do one from scratch. So let's do Google Drive real quick. Click accept and connect to Google. Now you guys can see, but there's can't see, but there's actually a login window right here asking you to integrate your Gmail account with HubSpot. So you basically just want to authorize it, click and continue, and from here it should pull up a window showing you all of the files that you have uploaded on that drive. And once you guys have made your selection, you should have the option to share it on different platforms like Slack or ClickUp or Monday.com. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, that's honestly all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.